Today I'm leaving my house very early. I woke up around 4 p.m. today to get a few things out of the way before morning. I think a routine I've embodied is to sort of get things done very early before people wake up. By the time I start my actual work hour, I can just attend meetings and do the groundwork. I think this is a very precious time for me because my paper that got accepted into SPI medical imaging, the ultrasound work I did in the summer, uh, it's time to submit the manuscript for the paper. The abstract we submitted was pretty good and it contained the whole idea, but we had to shrink the result. We had to shrink the result to fit into the 4-page requirement. So I had to do that. Now I'm supposed to work on the manuscript. It's due in 2 days and I think I feel really stressed. But I think it's gonna be fine because while working on the research, I made sure to do a lot of writing of my insight at every point in time. I also had a very first draft of the abstract that was a lot, which I had to now decompress to submit the abstract. So I'm really counting on those things. I don't know. We also had this issue with the organization where when I submitted the abstract, I was a student and there are some award opportunities for publishers, for authors, which I'm supposed to be eligible for, but considering I'm done with school, I'm not able to apply to most of them. But I emailed them yesterday and they actually resolved that. I was told you do not have to worry if your paper was written, submitted while you were a student. So I'm really happy for that. I'm going to school now to kind of like do some parts of writing the abstract and also get my normal work done. I evaluate a lot of large language models now and I think it's a field that is still growing, which is difficult to like have like cutting edge solution for. We have to keep being on top of latest trends, latest releases from these big companies. It's sort of interesting. I'm learning a lot and I don't know.